Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use the line keeping assist. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's choose the car icon, this blue icon right here. From the left tab you need to go to a driving assistance. This is the 5, I think, option from the left. And here the first one is line assist. So first of all, let's use this toggle to enable the line keeping assist. And here you can choose between alarm, right here, which just warns you if you drift, or correction. So when set to correction, the car will gently steer itself back into the line if you start to cross the line without using your turn signal. I found this feature really useful, and I always recommend to have the line keeping assist enabled. This is like the system just to helps you stay centered in your line, so this is really amazing safety feature to use. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.